Should the paint for the exterior of your house be dark or light? Dear friends, repainting your house's exterior is a great idea. It can boost the appeal of your house. Unfortunately, paint for exterior house comes in various colors. And not all colors are ideal for outdoor use. Monochromatic colors, blacks and whites, are currently very on trend when it comes to exterior paint trends, and while dark colors such as Monument look fantastic, they may not always be the best choice. The selection or use of deep, bold, dark or vibrant colors should be carefully considered, as they can actually have an adverse effect on the properties and performance of the paint. In general terms, lighter colors will always outperform darker colors within the same product, environment and exposure conditions. Generally speaking, darker colored paints absorb more UV rays than lighter colored paints, thereby putting more stress on the paint system and the substrate. Darker colors are going to fade faster, absorb more heat, creating more moisture or condensation. They are still great to use, however, just understand that they will need repainted sooner and touch-ups become considerably more noticeable. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.